Hi, I'm Stu from Eowave, and I'm going to be presenting the Quadrantid Swarm, which is our new device. It's a device aimed primarily at sound designers or musicians looking for an experimental new approach to making sound design or music or interesting sequences. We're going to look at a few different ways of patching the synth, and you'll get an idea of how it sounds and what it can do. We'll start with just basic sequencing. Now I'm using the step sequencer touch pads as a keyboard, as an interface with the synth, to have a tactile way of playing the notes rather than sequencing them. Also a poly mode, which you can use to play multiple keys together and create chords. So there we go, there's some different approaches to the Quadrantid Swarm. This is still a prototype version. We're working on some more modes to go along with the mono and poly mode. We'll release in about 3 months, hopefully. Price at the moment should be somewhere below €500. Thanks very much. Thank you, Synth Anatomy.